installed a little go-kart out there, and even up to these drag rails. That one was out of... Wow! You could really hear the truck on top of the car set rather than singled in with the car set. The Uncle Slam Shock, a mud truck that you'll see later on, and here we've got the Iron Reaper M4 personnel carrier. Wow, you can just hear the 20+ thousand pounds of Iron Reaper putting a crunching on the metal out on the track for his destruction. Really showing you the force that probably couldn't be appreciated in the old days if you were watching some of the classic monster truck events. Here you see firsthand really how much force these monster tanks rush down upon their automotive victims with. The big thing you'll notice about Romanini's Iron Reaper versus Andy Hoffman's Nightclub with a good time to the pit. We have a lot of events that haven't been seen in 20+ years. Monster trucks floating across the water, car crushing action as monster trucks truly began actually crawling up on the cars and just demolishing everything in their path. Jeff Cook put on a phenomenal event all day long. We'll be looking for some great gas guzzy events in the future. Jeff Cook just wants to show off right now. This is his opportunity. He's going to attack the van stack. Shotgun Harry pounding down on those cars with true monster truck force. Oh, look at that caravan in the center of the stack. The glass holding up perfectly. Lining up with those vans, this would have been a huge feat back in the 80s. Trucks didn't soar over vans and bus stacks like they do today. With the more primitive leaf spring suspension, trucks didn't have the suspension travel necessary to hit those landings. Some of you will remember the old Taurus truck actually had his trademark that he would climb up over a set of buses, creeping and crawling all the way. Shotgun Harry with the reverser. Uh-oh! Oh no! Shotgun Harry in trouble! Shotgun Harry off the cars! Oh, he's all off kilter. See if he can work his way out of it. It looks like he's getting the rear housing hung up on that van stack that just but the van's held up so well, and it looks like it's going to hold them up and down. Beautiful Predator 1, and these guys are going to put on a crushing display. Look at the glass shattering, a very old school effect, and this big 8-wheeled Predator thundering down, smashing those cars. Incredible effect. You know Alan Pizzo has had a spectacular time all day at the Gas Guzzy event. The fans have enjoyed themselves. Predator coming back around, going to take a hit from the opposite direction. Clearly, 8 tires, 20 feet wide of Predator doesn't quite fit on the car set, but makes for a phenomenal effect. The truck just mutilating everything in its path. Really just smearing all the iron out of the track. Al Pizzo's gonna go reverse. Gonna do a reverser, bust the car set. We got some cars moving in the center. No harm for Alan Pizzo and Predator. You see that last car has still got the glass in it. gotta be between 15 and 20,000 pounds, and just destroying all the cars in its path. Fireball in the purple passion, but still managed to roll across the tying line. Good enough time for modified tubular chassis. Jeep, a great run through the pit. He'll take the lead.